Hi students, it's Miss Gilbert again. This is more practice with parallel and perpendicular lines. So we are going to determine whether the graphs of each of the lines are parallel, perpendicular, or neither, nada. Okay, so we know that parallel is going to have the same slope. Perpendicular will have an opposite reciprocal slope, or neither, not this or this. So this first one, y equals 3x plus 4. Remember, we have this equation, y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope. Or we have this equation, y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1, where m is the slope. So these two equations look like this one. And I see that m is 3 here, and m is 3 here. So that means these are parallel lines. It does not matter this number. No es importante este número, porque solo necesitas the slope. This number is not important because you just need the same slope. Okay, now here we have m equals negative 1 over 3, and here we have m equals 3. So these are not the same, so they're not parallel. Are they opposite reciprocals? Opposite, negative and positive, yes. Reciprocal, 1 over 3, and 3, remember, 3 is the same as 3 over 1. So yes, it did flip. So these are perpendicular. Opposite, this is negative and positive. Reciprocal, they switched, they flipped. Now here, the slope is 2. Here, the slope is 5. These are not the same, and they are not opposite reciprocals. So that means these are neither. Not parallel and not perpendicular. Now these are the same thing, except we're using this kind of equation too. So we just have to look for the m. Solo necesitas m. Here and here. We have negative 2 over 3 or 3 over 2. So are those opposite? Yes. Are they reciprocals? Yes. So these are perpendicular. Remember, you can always pause the video and try the next ones on your own. Okay, here's the slope is 2. Here, the slope is 1 over 2. So I know they're not parallel because they're not the same. Are they perpendicular? 2 is the same as 2 over 1. So they are reciprocals. Yes, they are flipped, but are they opposite? ¿Son opuesto? No. This is positive and this is positive. Dos son positivo. So this is neither. Not parallel and not perpendicular. This slope, 1 over 4, and negative 4. And remember, negative 4 is the same as negative 4 over 1. Opposite, opuesto, sí. Reciprocal, Yes. So this is perpendicular. All right. Now we're going to write the slope-intercept form of the equation of the line described. So I don't think we're going to do slope-intercept. Let's do point-slope form. Point-slope form is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. So it says it goes through this point. This is x1 and y1, parallel to this line. That means that if it's parallel, then the slope is going to be the same. So same slope, mismo slope. Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Remember, the signs are opposite in the equation. So aquí es positivo y aquí es negativo. Aquí negativo, aquí positivo. Opuesto. So that was y1, that was x1, and that was slope. Okay, I'll do one more on this page with you. It goes, let me do a perpendicular one. Let's do this one. So it goes through this point, x1, y1, perpendicular to this line, and the slope is -3/2. Perpendicular means that the slope will be opposite, positive, reciprocal, flip. So this is the new slope. Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1.